Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So hope you guys are having an amazing day. So guys, back again with a tech video for you guys. So guys, today I got the unboxing and the review of this rose diamond table lamp. There are so many different names of this lamp. It's called as crystal lamp, a table lamp, and I've seen so many videos and pictures, and it looks kind of cool and it's pretty cheap. And since I had one lying around in the home, so I decided to do a review on this one. From the box, it has this black kind of box which also mentions some features. So it has this LED long life, it has USB-C charging, which is pretty good. It says on the box 12 hours of battery, but it only gives like 3 to 4 hours of backup. You can pretty much change the brightness or the intensity of this lamp, and you can basically or turn it on and off by just touching on top and by using the remote. It's called as tactile sensor on the box. So opening up the box, the first thing you are going to see is the lamp itself. You are also going to see a remote to control it, and you are going to see a USB-C cable. It did come with some instructions, but I misplaced it somehow, so I couldn't find those. So holding this lamp in my hand, it's made out of plastic, but still the finishing of this lamp is really good. On the top hand side, you are going to see a metal plate which is a tactile sensor. Whenever you are going to tap on it, it's going to turn on and it's going to change colors. Now you can use the both features. Either you can turn it on by tapping it, or you can use the remote. To be honest, tapping on the top kind of feels really nice, and it's pretty quick to response. On the bottom hand side, you are going to see some screws and some rubber parts to make sure it doesn't slip off the table. On the right hand side, you are going to see the USB-C port. So overall, I think this thing is built really nicely. For the price you are paying, I think there isn't a lot of room to complain. Whenever you are going to turn it on in lights, it may not seem that cool, but whenever all the lights are turned off and only this lamp is running, then I think this lamp looks quite beautiful. I paid like $5 to $6 for this lamp, and I've seen some stores selling it for like $7 to $8, which is kind of fine. But on some American websites, I've seen this go for $30 to $40. Now I don't know if it's the same kind of lamp, but I think $30 to $40 is quite a lot of money. I think $10 to $15 is good enough price tag for this kind of lamp. And for what I can really see is the quality is pretty solid, and it should last you a really long time. And the great part is you can pretty much place two of these lamp on the bedside, and they are going to look pretty cool. And it's like a night lamp. You can turn it on pretty easily, and you can either plug it in or you can just charge it and then take it with you, and you can maybe place it on the dressing table or someplace else. The remote which you find in the box can be used to turn it on and off, and the great part is you can adjust the brightness of this, and there are also some colors which you can select. Also, you can try different modes. You can try the fade, the smooth one, or you can really flash different colors. I think the smooth option is really good. It just smoothly changes all the colors and pretty much looks really nice on the bedside table. So overall, if you like to buy this product, I will put some of the links in the description, but that's pretty much it for this video. The only product which I found was quite the same when I bought it as compared to the pictures, because usually whenever you buy the anything of these websites, they do look pretty good on the website, but when you get it home and you unbox it, it kind of looks completely different. But for this one, I can be honest, like it almost looks like the way it's placed in the images on Facebook, on Instagram, or the way it is marketed basically. So overall, a great product for under $10. So with that being said, that's it for this video. If you like the video, make sure to give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing, become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.